We were rooting for you, Instant Pot Max. We were all rooting for you. The $200 Instant Pot Max was supposed to do more than older models. Along with being able to cook faster thanks to more pressure, the Max also has new features like the ability to sous vide and can foods. The 6-quart Max is impressive at first glance. It has easy-to-use touchscreen controls and an automatic steam valve that adjusts to your preferred method of steam release, which is a first for Instant Pot. It was helpful in canning fruit, and the inner pot gets nice and hot when you have to saute vegetables or cook meat. Unfortunately, many of the new showy features on the Max just didn't live up to our expectations. Basic dishes like beans and rice took just as long or longer to cook in the Max as we've seen with previous Instant Pot models. And that's especially disappointing considering that one of the biggest selling points of the Max is faster cook times. And the sous vide setting was a huge letdown. This method of cooking food in a water bath is all about precision, and that's exactly what the Max didn't have. Temperatures inside the pot were about 20 degrees less than what it read on the control panel, which resulted in some undercooked food. And there were minor annoyances that made us wish for an older Instant Pot model. There aren't any preset modes for beans or chili, nor are there water volume labels on the inner cooking pot for when you make rice. And the Max costs twice as much as other models. Overall, the Max doesn't match the performance of its predecessors. If you're interested in an Instant Pot, opt for one of the older models.